Yo everyone, Bunny here. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope everyone's having a great Labor Day so far, because that's more than likely when this video is going to be going up. More than likely. So I hope everyone's having a great holiday. Getting some well-needed rest from work and all that jazz and blues. But yeah, welcome back to BLA Productions, and just a major shout out to our new and returning subscribers, of course. So yeah, that's always a plus. You're always a plus. All of you guys are always a plus. So yeah, but anyway, it's that time again, that time of the year again, quote unquote, where I do a channel update video to kind of let you guys know what's going on, what's coming up, what our plans are for the channel in the next few weeks to months, all that jazz and blues. So let's get right into it. As per usual, these channel update videos aren't necessarily long. Well, you can already tell that by the time of the video, I guess. Yeah. But anyway, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to put out to you guys, and probably some of you guys might have seen it so far circulating around social media, maybe small, maybe. Yes, but BLA Productions will be indirectly connected to a new production that's coming out, a new play that will be coming out in July, actually, Money Moves. So you can definitely expect coverage behind the scenes and all that jazz and blues from from BLA Productions as well. I'll definitely be trying to put out more footage regarding the behind the scenes, rehearsal sessions, and all these fine things you can expect from a production like this that's going to be coming up. So definitely look out for that. I'm interested in seeing how it turns out, and if you guys will be enjoying that kind of content, you know, kind of seeing from the start to the finish for these plays that you guys love so much. So definitely look out for that. Of course, I'll be working with bad boy Driva and Monique, who's been a recurring face on the channel, to say the least. So yeah, so definitely look out for that. And yeah, the next thing though is that I really want to, I mean, a lot of you guys actually post your comments to let me know what you think about the videos, almost every day for the most part, and I honestly want to go deeper with that interaction. So what I'm suggesting to you guys, we're about 14,200 plus subscribers, so I'm thinking that when we hit 15,000 subscribers or close to that, I'll be making a community post and you guys can post your questions. So essentially it'll be like a Q&A session for the channel, which I'm proposing to do every 5,000 subscribers we get. So I'll make the community post, you guys post your questions, and if there's stuff you want to ask me, Monique, or anyone that's necessarily associated with the channel, we'll make it possible to have a Q&A session, make it fun. Yeah, just another level of interaction between us and you guys out there. So be sure to look out for that. We're almost there, as I said, 14,200 plus subs. So yeah, and of course, again, shout out to the new subscribers. Hope you guys are loving the content on the channel. Now, last but not least, there will be a new play on the channel that's coming up, Double Dose. I'm not making a complete promise on the entirety of that play just yet. I'm trying to get my hands on it, to say the least. I have some clips so far, so I'll more than likely start posting that next, if not this weekend, probably early next week. So definitely look out for that. If I'm not able to get the entire play, please don't crucify me. Honestly, you can't say I never warned you guys from this video. So yeah, that's what I have for the most part. So definitely look out for the behind the scenes coverage of Money Moves. I just want to push out content, show you guys what's up from start to finish regarding these productions, and just have a fun time showcasing it to you guys, and probably just talking about it with you guys in the comment section. So there's that. Of course, the Q&As and Double Dose. So that's all I have for the most part for this little channel update video. So that's gonna be majority of the content going forward for the next few weeks / months. Yeah, but don't worry, we'll still be doing skits, probably bit slower in terms of pushing them out, but you can definitely still expect some skits to be coming out. But anyway, Bunny here. Rate, comment, subscribe, let me know what you thought, and tell me if you're excited about these little updates that I've been giving with this video here. But yeah, Bunny, see you guys in the next one.